hear you. I can't hear you.
Yes, ma'am. My overall journey or experience have been very positive, ma'am. I had the opportunity to work with dedicated colleagues, gain valuable hands-on experiences, and develop skills that are essential for effective policing. The support and training have been especially helpful. Well, my time in the academy was demanding but very valuable. It provided a strong foundation in both the theoretical and practical aspects, and it prepared me well for the responsibilities of the role. Yes, I do, ma'am. I see myself building a long term career here and continuing to grow within the department while contributing to its goal and especially the community. Well, ma'am, since I like to have a long term career here, I'd be interested in working towards a leadership or supervisory role once I develop the necessary experience and skills to effectively support others. I, and also, I like to join sheriff department, ma'am. First, ma'am, professionalism at all times. Second, leading by example. Third is the respect for all individuals or community conduct. Sorry again, ma'am. Hold on. Okay, first, ma'am, do not use any weapons, including taser or gun. Next, we have do not engage in conversation with civilians or gang members. Third is do not maintain contact or relationship with gang members. Fourth is do not disobey orders from a superior rank officer. Fifth is must address higher up, sir, ma'am, and salute. Sixth is do not enter restricted area including the first floor, jail room, military base, or hospital. And last, do not bribe the chief or any higher rank with money or favor. We must respect all the time. Number two, close all doors behind you. Number three, stay active. Four is do not AFK while on duty. Next, we have here follow chain of commands. And last, no insubordination. Three, ma'am. For PD Garage, ma'am, we have 15 miles per hour. Green zone is 40 miles per hour. Do not exceed in 60 miles per hour. And in Venice, no more than 60 miles per hour. We have three, ma'am. The criminal, administrative, and civil violations, ma'am. No, ma'am. We can give like five violation, ma'am. Copy, ma'am. First, we have here the vested officers. Then the second one is the supervisor field training officers. Then after them, we have the head field training officers. Then after them, the major generals, then lieutenant generals, colonel generals. After the colonel generals, the deputy federal generals or the DFG, and lastly, the highest rank, which is the chief of police. Okay, okay. First is my rank, which is the recruit or rookie. Then second will be the private. Third is the sergeant, which is the badge officer. Third is the first sergeant. Fourth is the sergeant major. Five is lieutenant, which is the vested officers. Then six is the captain. Seven is the major or the major general. No, ma'am. The major. Eight is colonel. Number nine is major general, which is wearing the blue suits. And 10 is the lieutenant general. 11 is colonel general. 12 is the DFG or the deputy federal general. And 13 is the chief of police. Yes, ma'am. Which training, ma'am? Copy, ma'am. 97 to PD.
So, may